Morning everybody. Today we are going to review the sound shh. Okay, my turn, your turn. Shh, shh, shh. Shell, shoe, shop. Excellent. Now turn to my board. The hissing snake is making a terrible noise. So the horse says shh. Shh, says the horse. Shh, shh, says the horse. Shh, shh, says the horse. Now, with our sound today, there are 2 letters but 1 sound. These 2 letters are what we call special friends. They always sit together, but it's just 1 sound. Let's have a look at it again. Shh, shh, says the horse. Shh, shh, says the horse. Now, here is our picture card. The letters are hidden behind the pictures, okay? Shh, says the horse. Shh, shh, says the horse. Shh. Now, let's see if you can say the right thing, okay? I am going to flip the card. I want you to either say shh or shh, says the horse. Okay, off we go. Superb, well done. Okay, let's review our sounds, okay? And I'm going to pop shh into our pack, okay? My turn. G, s, t, sh, d. Okay, your turn. Super speedy sounds. Okay, we're now going to write shh, okay? So hands up in the air. We're now going to slither down the snake, okay? Hands up in the air. Let's slither down the snake. Now we're going to write our h. Down the horse's neck, all the way to his hooves, over his back and to his tail. Okay, let's write that one more time. Slither down the snake, all the way down the horse's front from his head to his hooves and over his back to his tail. Okay, now get some paper now and have a go at writing that. Okay, fantastic work. Now we are going to practice writing 3 more sounds. It's going to be our speedy write, okay? So let's write together the sound okay? Maisie, mountain, mountain. You have a go. Well done. We are now going to write the sound t, okay? Down the tower, across the tower. Well done. We're going to write the sound G. Okay. Round her face to her ears and down her curls. Well done. Okay, remembering that Fred can't talk in words, he can only talk in sounds. So I am going to Fred talk some words and I want you to jump in. Are we ready? At, at, at. Mat. Well done. Okay, next word. Ad, ad, ad. Mad. Well done. Last one. Sat, sat, sat. Sat. Excellent. Fantastic Fred talking. Okay, today practice writing sh and also practice writing g, and t, remembering to say the little stories with it as you're writing to help with your formation. Okay, so down the tower, cross the tower, Maisie mountain, mountain, round the girl's head, down her ears and give her a curl. Have a gorgeous day everybody. See you later.